Sun-drenched afternoon in the heart of Kingston, Jamaica. Four friends, Senti, Printy, Paulie, and Bucky, were hanging out under a vibrant orange tree. They had just finished a game of dominoes, their laughter echoing through the neighborhood, when Bucky suggested they head down to the beach. "Let's catch some waves," he exclaimed, slapping his sun-bleached hair back. The friends agreed, gathering their things and strolling towards the sandy shore. As they arrived at the beach, the golden sun glinted off the azure waters, inviting them in. They took off their shirts, revealing tanned skin etched with stories of lazy summers and childhood adventures. After some time splashing about and riding the gentle waves, they decided to take a break and sit on a log, enjoying the breathtaking view and the salty breeze. Suddenly, Printy, always the curious one, spotted something shimmering in the distance. "What's that?" he wondered aloud, squinting at the horizon. The others turned to look, puzzled. "Looks like something is floating out there," Paulie replied, leaning forward. As they watched, a bright blue object bobbed closer to shore, glistening in the sunlight. Senti stood up, brushing the sand off his legs. "Let's check it out," he shouted, his excitement infectious. The men waded into the shallow water, all the while their eyes glued to the mysterious object. Finally, they could make it out, a massive treasure chest, half submerged, as if it had just been lost by time itself. As they pulled it to the sand, their hearts raced with anticipation. Paulie, with his curious nature, brushed off the sand caked around the chest's lock. "This would need a key," he said, frustrated. Then Bucky stepped forward, full of bravado. "Or we just break it open." He grabbed a nearby rock, intent on making a legendary treasure reveal. With a mighty swing, Bucky smashed the rock against the chest. The sound echoed like a gunshot, and for a heartbeat, all was still as the air thickened with suspense. Then a soft click echoed, and the lock sprang open, swinging the chest ajar. Cautiously, they leaned in, their mouths agape. Inside lay a bounty of glimmering jewels, gold coins, and priceless artifacts. "Man, look at that!" Senti breathed, his voice nearly a whisper. Eyes wide, they stared in disbelief, caught between dreams of adventure and the thrill of discovery. The friends erupted into cheers, their laughter mixing with the sound of waves. In that moment, beneath the warm Jamaican sun, their lives were forever changed. Their mouths dropped open not just at the treasure, but at what it symbolized, the magic of the unexpected and the unforgettable journey of friendship.